Hi again. I'm going to show you how to solve a single question in two different ways. The first is quite ordinary and very uncommon how people solve it, and the second one is a very fast one. So the first method is of solving these questions. Let's read the question for g of x is given as ax squared plus 24. So for the function of g here, a is a constant, g4 equals 8. What's the value of g minus 4? So the first method is just substituting 4 in here. So let's write g4 equals, so a times 4 squared plus 24, so which is 16a plus 24, and it's given as 8, and I'm going to solve this for a. So 16a equals 8 minus 24 is negative 16, so a equals negative 1. Then g of x becomes minus x squared plus 24. So what is g of minus 4? G of minus 4 is minus 1. Remember, a equals minus 1. Minus 4 squared plus 24. And do the calculation. This is a no calculator question, so you need to do this calculation by hand. So, sorry, there is a mistake here. Let me just correct. So it's minus 4 squared. Minus 4 squared. So minus 4 squared is 16 times minus 1 is minus 16 plus 24. So therefore the answer is 8. So this is the first way of solving the question. It's about 2 minutes anyway. So the second approach is quite fast. Second approach here, which is, this is called an even function because all the x powers are even, okay? So we know that a negative value 4 squared equals minus 4 squared, or 5 squared equals minus 5 squared, because squaring a number, a negative number, and the positive number with the same absolute value doesn't change. So therefore, g4, if you substitute 4 here, if you get 8, if you substitute minus 4 here in the same equation, because of the squaring, you should get the same number. So the answer is automatically 8. This is the second and fast approach. You don't need to find even the value of a. Okay? So obviously this is a high level of approach, so you need to get familiar of the type of functions. This kind of functions where the exponents of x variables are even. Okay, you can also think this as x to the 0. So all the exponents are even. So therefore this is called even function. If the exponent was an odd number, so which is called odd function. So this is very fast approach of solving the same question. Try to catch these kind of shortcuts in SAT, so you need to save some more time.